Hello, lovelies. It's another beautiful day. Let's make beef pilau. Welcome to my channel. Pilau is a mixture of rice and beef or chicken. And pilau is favorite Kenyan meal and common delicacy whose roots are deeply embedded in the culture of Swahili communities, and it's commonly served in parties and occasions. You can serve it along with your salad, that is kachumbari. We call it here kachumbari, and some bananas, of course. So today I will take you through how to make authentic Swahili pilau. To make this pilau, the key major ingredient here is beef and rice. So here my beef, I've cut it and washed it clean. I'm just going to grate in my ginger. I want to boil it with ginger. Ginger helps in tenderizing the meat and it will take less time to cook. After adding the ginger, add some water. You can add the water above the meat, season it with salt, then take it to your fire. I will cook mine in a medium high heat. It will boil until it's tender and soft. Yeah, it's done. As you can see, the meat has cooked. Even the meat is separating from the bone. That means my meat is well cooked. So I'm going to use also potatoes. I'm going to blanch my potatoes in salt. I like to blanch my potatoes, then I'll fry them. Remove them from the hot water. Put them aside to cool before frying them. In a pan, add in oil. I'll reuse this oil I fried mandazi on. Heat your oil until hot, then add in your blanched potatoes. Deep fry them until it's a little bit crispy, because we're just frying them to add in the outer part so that it will not be soggy in our pilau. Don't want it to break down there. It's all done. Take it out and put it aside. Transfer your oil. This oil is still well, it's good, into your sufuria. Let it heat, then add in your tomatoes and fry them until it's brownish. This is the main step for the brown color of pilau, and not pilau masala. If you want your pilau to be brown, add in a lot of onions. Don't use tomato paste or soy sauce. That is not authentic pilau. Once it started browning, add in your garlic paste and ginger paste. Mix it well until it's brown, golden brown, I mean. Guys, if you're clicking my video for the first time, feel welcome. And if you like this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing. And thank you so much, my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. I don't take you for granted. I'm going to use all pilau masalas and pilau grounded masala. So I have cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and black pepper and cumin seeds. And of course, I have bay leaves. I will add it later. Stir it to mix well with the onions. Then add your pilau powder. This is pilau mix grounded. This one we will mix well and cook it for about 3 minutes. Stir it For the oil to infuse the flavors of the spices, add in your boiled beef. Remember that beef as that stock. Don't add in the stock yet. Just remove the beef and add in to your spices. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this end, what are you still waiting for? Give me a thumbs up. Mix well for the beef to absorb the spices well. We'll fry it for about 3 minutes until the meat has become a little bit crispy. I'm going to use basmati rice. This is my basmati rice. I'm going to wash it. Wash the rice until the water runs clear. Then add in rice in a mixture of beef and spices. Mix it well until the rice also absorbs the spices. This one is going for about 2 minutes. You can adjust the salt. Remember, I boiled my meat with the salt, and the rice doesn't have salt, so just a little. I used 4 cups of rice, so I'm going to double the water. But my water is around, I've added around 7 cups because I'm going to add the stock. The stock is about 1 cup. My pilau will cook on a high medium heat, uncovered. Add in your bay leaves and let it cook until the water goes a little bit down. Then add in your cooked potatoes and mix it well. So at this point, you can cover it and reduce your heat. Let it cook until all the water dries. So the water is dry and not completely. It still has some moist. So at this point, you can cover it and add some charcoal on top of your lid, or use a foil to cover the rice. And at this point, your flame is very, very low, and cover with a lid. After 5 minutes, it's done. Look at how the pilau looks so well done. I love my pilau like this. My pilau is well done. Guys, this is the right color for pilau. Forget about that dark brown pilau color you always adjust with soy sauce or tomato paste. That is not authentic Swahili pilau. This is the right color for pilau. I'm plating mine. Look at it. Even the potatoes are intact. There's none that is soggy. Look at that. Guys, I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up so that the YouTube family can push it to more audience. And thank you for watching my video up to this point. It was nice hanging out with you. I'm going to serve it with some kachumbari. The kachumbari is just onions and tomatoes and some coriander leaves. And you add the lemon juice. You can add some pili pili if you want, and of course some banana us to go a long way. Look at it. So yummy. I hope you try this and bring back your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in my next. Bye bye.